Today, we're exploring a key component that's often overlooked but absolutely essential for diesel engines, the fuel injection pump RE507968, RE518167, and RE568071, compatible with Stanadyne systems for John Deere engines. These pumps are critical for the precise operation of diesel engines, controlling fuel delivery with extreme accuracy. The difference between a high-performing engine and a poorly running one often comes down to this single part. Fuel injection pumps play a vital role by ensuring that diesel fuel reaches the engine at exactly the right pressure and timing. Every cycle of the engine depends on this precision. Without it, engines can suffer from reduced power, inefficient fuel use, or even serious mechanical damage. High-quality pumps like the RE507968, RE518167, and RE568071 are designed to prevent these problems, maintaining engine efficiency and longevity. One of the standout features of these pumps is their precise engineering. These are not generic replacements, they are specifically designed to meet OEM standards for John Deere engines that use the Stanadyne fuel system. Every aspect of these pumps, from the dimensions to the calibration points, is carefully crafted to ensure a perfect fit and optimal performance. This level of engineering guarantees that the engine operates smoothly and efficiently, avoiding issues that can arise from poorly matched components. Durability is another major advantage. The materials used in these pumps are robust and resistant to wear, pressure, and temperature extremes. Diesel fuel can be corrosive, and a high-quality pump must withstand these conditions without degradation over time. The RE507968, RE518167, and RE568071 are built to endure thousands of hours of operation, providing consistent performance even under demanding conditions. Installation is straightforward for experienced mechanics, though attention to detail is crucial. Proper alignment ensures that the fuel is injected at exactly the right moment during the combustion cycle. This is essential for smooth engine performance and avoiding potential damage. These pumps are designed to match the exact timing specifications of the engines they serve, minimizing the risk of installation errors and ensuring reliable operation immediately after replacement. Efficiency is a key consideration. Diesel engines are known for their fuel economy, but this can be compromised by a worn or inefficient pump. These Stanadyne-compatible pumps are calibrated to maintain precise fuel delivery, which supports smoother operation, optimal power output, and reduced fuel consumption. This can translate into significant savings for operators who rely on John Deere machinery for farm work, construction projects, or industrial applications. Reliability is paramount, especially for equipment that operates in critical conditions. A high-quality pump reduces the risk of unexpected breakdowns and ensures that the engine can handle heavy loads and continuous operation. This is particularly important for machinery that is in constant use, where downtime can be costly. The RE507968, RE518167, and RE568071 pumps are built to handle these rigorous demands, offering peace of mind to anyone who depends on their engines for daily operations. Another important benefit is cost-effectiveness. While investing in a premium pump may seem more expensive upfront, the long-term savings are significant. Less frequent replacements, reduced fuel wastage, and lower risk of engine damage all contribute to lower operating costs over time. Choosing a high-quality pump is an investment in the reliability and longevity of your equipment. Performance is also worth noting. These pumps deliver fuel at high pressure, which is necessary for modern diesel combustion. High-pressure injection ensures proper atomization of fuel, leading to more complete combustion, reduced emissions, and smoother engine operation. This is critical for John Deere engines used in demanding environments where consistent performance is essential. Maintenance requirements are minimal once the pump is installed. The main focus is on fuel quality and keeping the fuel system clean. Contaminants in diesel fuel can affect pump performance, so regular maintenance of fuel filters and tanks is essential. With proper care, these pumps can last for thousands of hours without requiring major attention. Compatibility is a key feature of these pumps. They work with multiple John Deere models, which simplifies maintenance and reduces the need for a wide variety of spare parts. This makes them ideal for anyone managing multiple